Trouble, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to move all 4 of your colored pegs around the board and into your finish line. Setup. Lay out the board and each player picks 4 pegs of one color and places them in their matching colored home spaces. Each player rolls the die by pressing the POP-O-MATIC once. The player with the highest number goes first. Play then proceeds clockwise. If there is a tie, the tied players re-roll. On your turn, pop the dice once and move if possible, moving 1 peg in the play track the exact number of spaces popped. The play track is the outer circular ring of spaces, excluding the home and finish spots. If the number 6 is popped, you get to pop and move again. In order to get a peg out of your home, you must pop a 6. If you do, move 1 peg onto the start space and pop again. If an opponent's peg occupies a space you move to, you take that space and return the opponent's peg to their home space. You may not move to the same space that one of your own pawns already occupies. If you have no valid move, your turn ends. Pegs always move clockwise around the board on the play track. When they make it to your finish line, you must land each one in, by exact count, 1 of the 4 possible empty spaces. The first player to get all their pegs in their finish line wins.